What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Truth, and it's another video on how to cop. I know I've been doing a lot of these this week, but if you really think about it, it's a lot of shoes dropping this weekend that you can go after, and I just want to make sure you guys have every opportunity to get them. So before we get up into this video about how to cop, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can get any alerts whenever I do drop videos like this or whatever videos I drop. I appreciate all the questions, the responses, the feedback, and everything I've been getting. But today we're going to be talking about another extremely hyped shoe. It's kind of one of those shoes, either you're going to love it or you're going to hate it. And that is none other than the Yeezy 380 Alien. So with this shoe, as you can see on the screen here next to me, it's completely different than the 350. It kind of reminds me of, I know Yeezy he's trying to transition away, even though we do have other 350s coming out, but we've been seeing a lot of V2s, and a lot of people saying they've been regurgitated, so many different colorways, and it's just time for something new. Well, this is it, and unfortunately, from what I've been seeing, a lot of people don't like them on blogs and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all that stuff. But that doesn't mean that they're not going to sell out. So apparently the stock on this shoe, just what they're saying from what I'm seeing online, stuff like that, is only 30,000, maybe 28,000. That's it. So with that being said, the shoe is going to be extremely valuable. So we're going to do the three things that we always do in this video. I'm going to tell you first, number one, if I like the shoe, how I feel about it, my thoughts, aesthetic and stuff like that, aesthetic wise, all that stuff I'm going to tell you about the shoe. Number two, I'm going to tell you how you can get this shoe, the websites, the places, the boutiques, and all that stuff. And then number three, we're going to go on StockX and we're going to look at the resale value of the shoe. So let's get right up into it. First off, let me tell you guys a story. So, like I said, I'm kind of getting the Turtle Dove vibe, the Yeezy V1 vibe from this shoe. It's something different that we haven't seen. It's away from what we're used to. So when the V1 when the Turtle Dove dropped, I got two pairs. Right out of the gate, got two pairs. Sold them ASAP because I was like, you know what? They look like grandfather shoes. These shoes are terrible. They look like slides, dollar store shoes. I didn't want to have anything to do with them. Sold them right out the gate. I think the shoe was $200. I think I sold them for $450 each. Now you can go back and you look at that shoe. People really want that shoe. $1,000, $1,500 is what you're looking for that shoe. I feel like this is going to be that shoe. It's going to be the first model that we have of the shoe, the first colorway. And whether we like it or not, I'm going to encourage you guys, if you can get your hands on it, whether it's for resale right away or if it's for you to sit in your room like this and just sit there for later, this is going to be a shoe that's worth value. So, taking a look at the shoe, as you can see here, the shoe is still keeping the prime knit upper. I think the bottom glows. I'm not sure, but it looks like it. It looks like a glow-in-the-dark bottom. Totally different design than the B2, the 350 that we're used to. I haven't had the shoe in hand. I've seen a couple pictures on feet, as you can see here beside me, what they look like on feet, the bottom and stuff like that. But Seth Fowler is a guy that I follow a lot on when it comes down to looking at shoes. Him, Fomer Simpson, Mike Rich, and all these people. But Seth is one of the people that tends to have shoe in hand kind of early, especially when it comes to the Yeezys. I'm going to put his link down in the description section. So if you guys really want to look at this shoe, he has them in hand. You really want to look at this shoe, whether or not that you want to keep them, think about keeping this shoe, he'll be the person to go look at. So go click on his page, take a look at the shoe. After viewing the shoe myself on his page, from day one, I've liked the shoe, to be honest with you. I felt like, I was talking to one of my boys about it, and I felt like the shoe was dope. So it would be a shoe that I really want to keep. Probably won't keep it because if that resale get up to the $1,500 mark, Christmas time coming up, gifts coming up, hey, I would love to have a shoe that I can sell to get more stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's just, hey, it's not one of the shoes. I'm more of a Jordan 1 type guy. That's the one I want to keep. I'm not too big on keeping the Yeezys. I really sold all mine. I think I got two pairs left, and that's it. So that's my thoughts on the shoe. It's very different. It's unique. It's definitely going to be one of those shoes that you look around, people are going to be pointing at. I mean, I am eager to see a lot of the fakes and how close they are. I'm eager to look at those in the future because I'm pretty sure they're already out there. But anyway, so now that we talked about what the shoe looked like, kind of a little bit about the actual physical shoe, let's talk about where to get these things. It's only 2 places that I'm aware of besides little boutiques, like I said, here and there. And number 1, Yeezy Supply. I don't know if it's just me, but if you guys are following Yeezy Supply on Twitter, I literally block them. I would rather miss a release or any alert, because some of the stuff that they put out, as far as like I guess they're trying to give out hints and clues on these shoes, is just crazy. And it just be one post after another, after another, after another. So I just kind of got tired of it. And to be honest with you, I've never got a shoe off Yeezy Supply. I will encourage you, if you do want to go on Yeezy Supply to get this shoe and you do want to have a legitimate chance, go on YouTube and literally YouTube how to set up self-checkout, auto-checkout on Yeezy Supply. I think you have to be on Chrome. You can set up multiple users, give you a better chance. I'm not going through all that, but like I said, go on there and I might even put a sample video link down there for you guys to see, so you can kind of figure it out before the drop this weekend. I haven't said that the shoe drops this weekend, the same day as Travis Scott's. I think Saturday is November 16th, if I'm not mistaken. It's gonna be dropping this Saturday along with the Travis Scott. So get ready to spend some money. So number 1, Yeezy Supply. We know they're gonna have them, and then number 2 is gonna be Adidas.com. Adidas.com is kind of one of those things. It's either gonna drop at 7 a.m. or 10 a.m. depending on where you at. But just be on there. Continue to be on there. Stay there. Wait. Continue to try to add the cart. Be persistent. Try to go. Because like I said, whether it's resale or keep, you want to keep trying to get this shoe. Any local places, any areas that's going to have them, any Adidas stores, I'm not 100% positive. I tried to find some information out. My best advice to you guys would be either call your local Adidas stores and really start asking those questions to see who's going to get them around. I'm pretty sure some sneaker shops are going to have them right now for you to purchase, but it's probably going to be at the resale value, which is going to transition us into now the resale predictions for this shoe. So if you go on StockX, as you can see here, we have the shoe, and it says that the lowest ask price for this shoe is, that sounded weird, is $719. $719 is the lowest ask price for this shoe. Okay, the highest bid is $710. Now, if I'm not mistaken, the shoe is only $230. So now let's go into the all sizes. So as you can see on the screen here, when we look at all the sizes for the shoe, we're looking at this. A size 4 is $1,600, all the way down to a size 16 for $420,000. All right, so don't destroy me in the comment section. I understand that's not the actual price for the shoe. That's just what people are asking for it. But let's look at the latest sales for the shoe. As you can see on the screen here, size 10.5, $715. Size 8, $740. Size 11, $738. Size 9, $805. So on and so forth. No $420,000. No nothing like that. But extremely profitable. Even more profitable than the Travis Scott's. Speaking of Travis Scott's, I'll put the video link down below if you want to see how to cop those. I also have a video of those as well. So at the end of the day, this shoe is going to be extremely profitable. I always say go for the smaller sizes. Like your sizes 4 to 9. If you have an opportunity to get them, your bigger sizes are always going to drop down in value, but you're still going to make a good profit on this shoe. I'm going to guesstimate at least $400 to $600 on this shoe. Definitely $400 you can make a profit on the shoe depending on the size that you have. That's all I got for you guys today, man. I hope you like these videos. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Good luck on copping this shoe and all the other ones that dropped this weekend. You know what I'm saying? Remember my motto, rock what you like, not what's hype. It's your boy Truth. I appreciate y'all. I'm out.
Them hard, I should cop me a pair. Jordan ain't the only one that's in air. As I'm walking upstairs, I prefer that you follow me up there, but you still gotta know what you wear. I'm so glad.